So this is going to be a living room, a decent size of, so you get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen. So a decent size of bedroom, I must say. There's not a lot of walkables. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey. Are you also looking for an ultra luxurious project located in Virar West, that too in a budget with all the ultra luxurious amenities and great connectivity? I've come up with one of the best project of Virar West named as Vinay Sky by Vinay Unique Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the main gate. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of this project. Check out the neighborhood. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 7.5 acres with 9 towers, basement plus ground plus 25 residential floors with configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Are you planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights to Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, आपने कोई टोकन अमाउंट देके घर बुक कर दिया है बट आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं तो बिल्डर लीगली कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है ये जानना ज़रूरी है. लेट्स से पोजेशन के बाद कंस्ट्रक्शन या लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू आता है तो हाउ मच लाइबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड ये जानना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. अ लॉट ऑफ बायर्स डू नॉट नो देयर एक्चुअल राइट्स. सो हमने ये सारी चीज़ें सिंपल एंड ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड लैंग्वेज में ये सीरीज़ में एक्सप्लेन किया है. तो कोई भी नया घर खरीदने से पहले ये सीरीज़ ज़रूर देखें. ये सीरीज़ का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और ऊपर आई बटन में दिख जाएगा. Talking about the connectivity of this project, as you can see, I'm standing at the main road. This road right here leads you to the main road. This project is located in Gokul Township, Virar West, with Virar railway station at a distance of just 1.2 km and D-Mart at a distance of just 5 minutes walk. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 1 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 439 square feet. As we enter, right here is your small foyer space. Have a look at it. So perfect for shoe rack and all. And then as we move ahead, right in front comes your dining space. So a 4 to 5 seater of dining space easily accommodates over here. And then moving ahead comes your living room. So this is going to be a living room, a decent size of living room with enough walkable space after placing the sofa, center table, dining space. I'm just walking around and showing you. And then to your living room comes an attached small balcony slash deck, whatever you call it, for you to dry your clothes or just enjoy your stand and enjoy your coffee with view outside. Now let's move ahead. As we move ahead, right here first comes your common washroom. So again, a good size of common washroom. Just go have a look at it. So this is going to be a common washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then when we move ahead comes your kitchen. So you get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen and then enough space for cabinet on the wall and down. Right where your platform ends is going to be a refrigerator space. And then moving ahead is going to be your deck area for you to store your washing machine. Go have a look at it. So a decent size of kitchen as well. And then we'll go and check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. So now let me give you this master bedroom tour. And as we walk ahead, right here comes your master bedroom. Have a look at it. So a decent size of bedroom, I must say. There's not a lot of walkable space on both the sides, but yeah, decent enough after placing a whole queen size bed. And then you get half French window attached for ventilation purpose in your bedroom with view. And then right here is your wardrobe space. So just look at the depth of the wardrobe. This is going to be a wardrobe space. And then comes your attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom, a decent size of attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was the 1 BHK sample flat tour of Vinay Sky by Vinay Unique Group located in Virar West. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.